angazi bese ngiqalephi mfethu anoma ngiqale ngimemeze ngithi sibuyile noma ngiqale angazi serious bafethu. First of all nje ngicela ukubonga labade bekhona ku live yami, ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu. Enikwenze kumina nikwenze na komunye. Jabulile ukuba nani, support eninginike yona ngiyabonga kakhulu. Now indaba iqala la bafethu, nibonile case, nibonile i-best team e-South Africa ukuthi yenza njani mefuna ukuwina. Bengeke ngayisho lento earlier ngathi i-Orbit College ingami endleleni yethu ayilethe 3 point wethu, siyaphuthuma sijahe ku number 1 and siyazi indlela edlala ngayo mfethu. Yabona nje at this rate angiboni siluza game 2025, lento lo ngiyishilo, angiboni siluza game 2025. For the remaining year asilose game. Orbit College ibuya ku 3-1, understand lokho, i-momentum yabo vele iphezulu, adrenaline yonke into iphezulu. Thina safika sabahambulisha ngo 4-1. And lo 4-1 lona mfethu ngicela understand ukuthi khona ushaya ibrace umdudu ushabalala. Lo abantu abaningi bebede bembiza ngeflop, ama rivals ethu kuthiwa iflop, amela adlale ngisho esquadini. Ovela waphendula ngo2 goals namhlanje. Olibonile igoal la Vilakazi busisiwe. Yabona lela goal leliya, alikho igoal elinjeyana, alikho igoal elinjeyana la South Africa, alikho. Yabona bathi iPlayStation if uyadlala R2 mangicabanga uba uright 2 no B ufuna ushaya la goal la ikhel iPlayStation noma kuXbox. Walithi bafethu yini kodwa nifuna kwiCase? Yini nifuna kwiCase? Labona le team bafethu is so serious ngalendlela le ukuthi yabona njengamanje, call me crazy, we getting that league. Ibhethe Premiership izolala eNaturena ngentshela. Bhethe Premiership eNaturena. And bafethu maningi ama individuals engifuna ukwabonga kule game. Maningi yabona first half, yabona bafethu first half umthetho bafethu hey Nyambozo omkhulu namanje ngisasho mfethu ngangidawele insangu ngikhuluma ileyana angibhimi kodwa ngangidawele insangu ngikhuluma ileyana nonsense ngithi ushaya ayi bafethu best midfielder leyana. Yabona if umntu wakora ngamagola u2 umthetho bese man of the match ngiyantshela. Yabona bafethu umthetho is everywhere, angakangeni ngisho ama goal scorers. uFlavio as a sub hayi wenza amanga bafethu uFlavio sinez yo bafethu isquad depth seCase isona lesi ngiyantshela. Wonke umdlalo ubanga nomuntu iposition. Wonke after Kaizer is back. Kaizer Chiefs is back. Ayikho team esingesidudule le season, ayikho. Sundowns abanenhlanhla idlala nathi. And ngiyantshela njengamanje. Yabona mzana sodlala nePirates, akuzohluka kuloko. Kuzohluka kuloko. Kaizer Chiefs is back. We are back. Yabona umdu well positioning. Number 10. Yabona njoba siyodlala ama friendly esquadini. Ngicela ukubona umduku starting lineup. Hayi sub. Starting lineup. Umdu serious kakhulu bafethu. Umdu Tutu Shabalala. Angangeni usho kuvilakazi. Umfundo OB. What a goal. What a goal OB mfethu. Ayingeke bafethu. Yabona iKaizer ikwenye level njengamanje. Ngathi singiqalephi mfethu. Yabona kuningi. Yabona bese umuntu ayibukile igame understand ukuthi indaba ikhanda namihlanga kanje. Cause la game mfethu wakhe ngibona iKaizer shama goal awu 4 goals in a game bafethu. Kaizer Chiefs and lela goal esilconsidile lo one unganithusi lo one esiconsidile. I-positioning ye-defender, ama-defenders abengekho kahle lapha and umuntu abazomgxeka abantu abaningi mina ngimgxeki because i-height ngibonile ukuthi i-height imshayele lapha u-Eden McCarthy siyaconsider nombani yalenza lo phutha ukuthi nje next time ingenzeki kodwa nje bafethu great game. Kaizer Chiefs is back. We going for the league. Sizoyithatha la, sizoyidetrona iSundowns. Sorry, ngiyaphinda. Sizoyidetrona iSundowns. Yabona isquad depth seKaizer Chiefs isona sesikwazi ukuthi udlala ibhola elihle kanje. Positioning yabadlali bafethu Kaizer Chiefs is back. Ayikho team esingesishaya le season ngiyantshela. Ngiyalizwana ngami. Vele bhayi asanele vele bhayi. What a winger you are. Yazi ulilepho nje ngani umulimele akahlala limali kanjalo for now angisho phela ngimfisela.
Hayi ke madoda, i-team enkulu yase South Africa isivele yenza lokhu edume ngakho, yavulela induku embi lapha eFNB Stadium. Orbit College ibulewe kabuhlungu ngenduku, rightfully so. Bekufanele bashawe labantu. Ayikho ke futhi into emangazayo ngalento yenzekela, into ebeziveli silindele le. Straight win. Ngisho iqaleni ngathi straight win. And this is exactly what you got. I think I wouldn't be wrong if I said this is the best performance Kaizer Chiefs has had this season in its entirety. The best performance Kaizer Chiefs has had. Because ama games iwawinile lapha nalaphaya ngo-1-0, 2-1 yabo bahlulekile ukushiya ama-goals amaningi. The most goals they've scored in one game ile against yase-Africa. Against Simba beshaya 3-0 yabo. And it was a good game, but it was not a dominant display. La Kaizer Chiefs were dominant, showing their true powers. We played with the obvious 3-4-3. Defensively we are solid. Yazi kunento singayinakile kakhulu. Kaizer Chiefs this season has one of the best defense in the league. 7 clean sheets out of 11 games. This lena mhlambe kufanele kube 8 clean sheets, but yeah, unfortunately the boys conceded a goal. Defense Kaizer Chiefs improving ngendlela esimangaliso to such an extent ukuthi the only goal now is to score goals. Because the defense is so solid. It doesn't matter ukuthi dlala bani, Kwimika, Miguel, Solomons, Monyani. It doesn't matter, but the defense is solid. Shout out to Ukros bafethu improving ngendlela esimangaliso. Shout out to Uthabiso Monyani. Every time Uthabiso Monyani is playing, Kaizer Chiefs iyaphefumula kakhulu ngale kwa right. Idlala ibhola elihle kakhulu ngale kwa right, because uMonyani is giving them that fluidity, that balance. Umnandi mak-attackwa, umnandi mak-defend. He's giving them that balance. Yabo. Also, we need to give credit to lo mfana lo. Uvelapai umnandi bafana. Yabona senya understand manje why owner Cape Town Spurs bengafuni lo mfana hambe ma. Senya understand manje. Umnandi umfana uphekiwe. And uPule Mori if engekho careful, uzohlala ngaphandle. Hey ivuthiwe le. So congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. Really happy with the win. Sihleli phezulu manje eligini and the Sundowns. After 11 games, so too, sina 6 wins, sina 4 draws, and sina 1 defeat. Siyafana nje. Sundowns ne Chiefs in day 1. And we will be there to witness ukuthi kezakalani throughout the duration of the league.
Andiyazi leyenzwa iChiefs. Andiyazi ayisadlala ibhola ngoku iChiefs. Ibhizi ngoku idila nathi ngoku isinika ihumble pie ngoku umuntu nomuntu ume ekoneni nepie yakhe steak and kids umuntu ngamnye ngoku. Futhi andifuna ubona nomnye umuntu othetha ngebhola. Kwam social media nizobona ngizoblocker nonke umuntu ozothetha ngebhola ngizomblocka nizobona. Busixelela ngento zelog uba ime njani uba sikhathalele ngantoni thina loo nto uba ngubani ongunamba bani kwileague. Asinamsebenzi naloo nto thina sinezinto eziserious apha eSouth Africa. Sithetha ngoBrown Mkhotsi, sithetha ngoKat Matlala, sinezinto ezininzi ezibhizi, asinamsebenzi nebhola thina. Nisiyeke nje ngebhola thina.
We remain humble. There's not much to talk about, Pella. 3 points in the bag. We look forward to the next game. There's nothing to talk about here. This is all in the past tense. We're looking forward to the future, into the next 3 points which we're collecting in the next game. That's what we're looking for. We're not going to sit and make noise because we Kaizer Chiefs fans, we remain humble. We remain humble. But I just want to ask, did I have the right channel? Because there's UEFA Champions League football on tonight. I don't know what I was watching the right game, UEFA Champions League or what. I didn't know UEFA was in Soweto today. I don't know, like guys, set me straight. Pella, I saw right wing backs, I saw Hakimi, Monyani, overlapping, underlapping. I saw Pedro Neto. Velabai. Sorry, man. I'm getting, because it's Champions League, so I'm getting confused. I saw Velabai down the wing. They had to pull him back to slow him down. I saw today Cole Palmer. Sorry, man. I'm messing up this video by messing up the name. Mdu Shabalala. Assisting, scoring, ball carrying, dribbling. That's why I'm not sure what channel I was watching. Guys, I don't recognize the team that played today. I don't recognize it. Who played, Gahle Gahle? Like, someone explain to me who played. Because I was watching Champions League football there. But champagne football. I was literally watching champagne football. So now, like I'm saying, we're collecting 3 points to remain humble. We climbed up the log. We are number 2 on the log, 22 points. Some people are still got games in hand, which mean nothing. Guys, are we title contenders? I'm just asking. Now, don't fight with me. I'm just asking, are we title contenders now? Or we're just taking game by game and seeing how things play out towards the end of the season? And check on Orbit goalkeeper's lower back. No, because shame, guys. He had to pick up the ball 4 times out of his goal. 4 times. Hey, are we going to hurt some people? We're going to cause serious injuries to some players out there. And then we made Orbit strike a kickoff 5 times in one game. Imagine going... We made somebody kick off 5 times in the game match. How we are dangerous, street. How we are dangerous. Guys, before I leave, one last question. I just want to know the difference. Harry Kane, Erling Haaland, Da Silva. What's the difference? Pella, it's just location at this stage. Anything around the box, around the goals, if you see Da Silva, just walk back to that. Other teams must just walk back to the halfway line because that ball's going to hit the net. Like it or not, it's going to hit the net and then they're going to have to kick off again. So just when you see Da Silva in the box and you see Serino close by, just get ready to take the ball out the net and start kick off.
Today, I just want to talk about Mduduzi Shabalala because the game, forget the goals that he scored, because I know people get hung up on, oh, he scored goals, so that means he had a good game, or he had an assist, that means he had a good game. No. Let's talk about his improvement. If you watch the pre-match video, right, I said that if Mduduzi Shabalala can improve his movement off the ball, he would become deadly. And the results, you see, he scores 2 goals. It could have been a hat-trick. He passes the ball that was scored by Mfundo Vilakazi. He is also involved in the goal of Da Silva. So all the 4 goals, Mduduzi Shabalala is involved. And look at where he is. Look at how he moves seconds before the goal is even created.
Abafethu aseke nomona. Yabona uMduduzi Shabalala. Ayi player abafethu. Deserve ukuya naye World Cup lo mfana akasakumelanga kube i-second choice makulimele omfukeng or kulimele ubani bani. Umfana okumele amselect uHugo Bruce masiya World Cup. Asiyi ku World Cup. Futhi ngifuna ukuqala ngimbone ku-AFCON kucala. Asiqale nge-AFCON. Mduduzi bafethu umnandi. Umfundo Vilakazi, he's getting there. Uyabona ngifuna ukubona labafana abancane nje bonke umfundo Vilakazi, omfukeng, oShabalala. Bonke labafana abancane. Ngifuna ukubabona le World Cup.
That's it for video namhlanje bafethu, reacting to Kaizer Chiefs against Orbit College. Okay, here's my hot take on the game. The game was very beautiful, dog. I enjoyed watching Kaizer Chiefs. They actually played. It's one of the best games of what Chiefs played this season after like game team, because a game like I don't want to say they were fluke wins, but they were winning. There was nothing. There was no performance. But in the guys, umthetho uthathe criticism. Why what okay, you guys criticized me, and in we are not criticizing him ngoba sithi uyinkomo. Siyazi ukuthi he's good at marking, but you can improve on that. And we started when we can see Mthethwa improving game in game out. If we're not born local, we hate her. Mthethwa has improved, bruh. And bruh, I don't know how many times we've been saying this. We want to see Vilakazi in starting 11. We want to see him to play. Vilakazi play. Because if you have Vilakazi number 2, those guys better feel like by fairly Chiefs, bruh. Those 2 players, okay, let me just say, it development the Chiefs. Whenever those guys play, but they play with me like by fairly team, bruh. Because even back when they had Abu Mashiane, bruh. Mashiane was literally the best left back in the country at the time. Okay, so you might argue. but he was playing ibhola like a little best at the time esadlala lapha main starter ku-Chiefs uMashiane. I don't know what happened to him. Into nje engifuna uku-emphasize ukuthi i-Chiefs imele abafana laba abadlala ku-DDC banyuke mfethu. Abo Hlongwane, we need Hlongwane in the main Kaizer Chiefs, because Hlongwane is a good striker, bro. And this is coming from a Paris fan. Ne? We need to see those DDC players playing for Chiefs, because I feel like ibona understand that what it means to play for a team like Chiefs, because baqala vele from DDC, and they can see from DDC how much support and how much loser means when we are with Chiefs and you lose. So if when they move from a DDC and to a bigger team, like there's nothing new to them. Environment they call it's just my expectations are same more, and I believe with time they can deliver. They can really deliver, and yeah, that's all I can say for Ikima namhlanje bafethu. And teams like Orbit College in basically by disappointment, but whatever can I say? Chiefs was better today, and I really enjoyed watching them play, bro. I really, but Umnyane is back, and wow, hey, Chiefs is cooking, bro. Chiefs is cooking. We look at Flavio Silva, and we were mocking Flavio Silva at the start of the season. He has more goals than Umbutsuma. He has more goals than Mabasa this season. He has more goals than Umahopa. He has more goals than Uradio Pane. Enhle Silva this season iligi namagoal amaningi ukudlula wonke ama-strike Pirates. Isn't that crazy? That's crazy. But yeah, bafethu, that's it for video namhlanje bafethu. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And makuthi subscribe bafethu, please make sure you subscribe, because there's more content coming. You support the Chiefs, support the Pirates, just subscribe, because the channel ngifuna futhi channel esesowethu le. But ngifuna KZN, but this is Soweto channel. Abo. Okay bafethu, anything engathanda ukucela nokuthi makuthi ubuka i-video and mhlambe eqhamuka i-ad mfethu, ngicela ukuthi uyibuke leyo ad leyo. But makuthi mhlambe yinde ke ungayiskipha mfethu, because ama-ad angisikhethile ama-ad avela la, YouTube isikhethela wona. So ngicela ukuthi mhlambe mahlangana ne-ad uyibuke, but futhi mawuthanda ungayiskipha mfethu, ngeke ngikuforce but like lento leyo, that's how I get paid actually makuthi ubuka i-ad. Angakukhokhela so far, because YouTube ngathi awuzimisele ukungikhokhela mfethu, but yeah, but please make sure ukuthi nabuka ama-ad bafethu. And thank you for watching. Ngizonibona kusasa ngegame ePirates ne-Golden Arrows. Thank you. And we need uVilakazi Nomduku ku-AFCON, bro. And before I go, I want the importance of what is qualified for things like AFCON and World Cup. Now we have players like playing, they are like bayadlala bajita right now. They want to go to AFCON, they want to go to the World Cup. And that's what we need to do. Every AFCON and the World Cup need to qualify so the players can populate the level they are at in page. Abo? Okay, cool. I'm out again, man.